Okay, let's talk about something nobody loves talking about, but we all kind of have to deal with it eventually if we're not on city sewer.
Ah, the septic system.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The mysterious tank buried in the yard. And, the smells, the slow drains, maybe even the nightmare scenario of a backup.
Yeah, those are definitely the warning signs. And the cost associated with neglect can be, well, pretty substantial.
Right. The emergency pump out, potential repairs, it adds up fast. So we've been looking into this product called Septifix,
Mm-hmm.
and the pitch is pretty interesting. It's basically these solid tablets. You just drop one in your toilet once a month, flush it, and supposedly it helps keep everything running smoothly.
It's marketed as a preventative maintenance solution, yeah.
Yeah.
The core idea involves releasing oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay, how does that work in a septic tank? Isn't it usually kind of oxygen deprived down there?
It is, and that's part of the problem with traditional anaerobic systems sometimes. Septifix claims its tablets slowly release oxygen, about 10 liters per tablet, apparently.
Wow, okay. And what does the oxygen do?
Well, the theory is that this oxygen promotes the growth and activity of aerobic bacteria. These are different from the anaerobic bacteria usually dominant in septic tanks.
And these aerobic bacteria are better at?
They're generally much more efficient at breaking down waste. We're talking organic sludge, fats, oils, grease, toilet paper, all that stuff.
Uh-huh. So it's like creating a better environment for the good guys, the bacteria that really chew through the waste.
That's the concept. More oxygen equals more efficient aerobic bacteria, which means faster decomposition of solids.
And that leads to fewer clogs, less smell.
Potentially, yes. By breaking down the organic matter more effectively, you reduce the sludge layer at the bottom and the scum layer at the top. That helps prevent blockages in the tank and the drain field.
Okay, that makes sense. Clogs and smells are usually from stuff not breaking down properly, right?
Often, yes,
Yeah.
or from harmful anaerobic bacteria producing hydrogen sulfide, that rotten egg smell. The oxygen is also supposed to help neutralize those odor-causing bacteria.
Gotcha. So it's oxygen plus special bacteria in the tablet itself.
Yes. The tablets also contain strains of beneficial bacteria, similar to high-quality septic treatments, which work alongside the oxygen-stimulated native bacteria.
So it's a double whammy boost, the good bacteria already there. A and D add more specialized ones.
That seems to be the approach.
And the really big claim, the one everyone wants to hear, is reducing how often you need to pump the tank.
That's the major potential benefit. If the solids are broken down more efficiently and don't accumulate as quickly, you logically wouldn't need to pump out the tank as frequently.
Which saves hassle and, let's be honest, quite a bit of money over time. Pumping isn't cheap.
It definitely isn't. And the makers claim this product comes from, quite a bit of research and development.
Right, they position it as something developed over several years, tested, refined, not just some miracle cure thrown together.
It suggests a focus on a scientifically backed long-term maintenance strategy.
So our mission here really is to figure out if this approach holds up. Can these Septifix tablets actually be a simple, affordable way to avoid those septic headaches?
Does the science translate into real-world effectiveness for homeowners? That's the key question.
Okay, so just to recap the idea, drop a tablet, it releases oxygen. This helps good bacteria thrive and break down wasteless sludge, grease, all that gunk.
Correct, leading to fewer odors, fewer clogs.
And the big one, potentially less frequent pumping.
That's the promise. It aims to optimize the natural biological process within the tank.
And the appeal is definitely the simplicity. No messy liquids, no complicated schedule, just flush and forget, basically.
The ease of use is certainly a major selling point compared to some other treatments, or just waiting for problems to arise.
So if you're hearing this and thinking about your own septic system, maybe it's acting up a bit. Maybe you just want to be proactive.
This is presented as one potential tool for that ongoing maintenance.
Now, obviously, every system is different,
Yeah.
but the company does seem to offer information, FAQs and the like, for people trying to figure out if it's right for them.
Which is good. Transparency about how it's supposed to work and what to expect is important.
So thinking about the potential cost savings, the convenience, maybe just the peace of mind, how might something like this change your approach to septic care? Definitely something to consider.
Food for thought, absolutely.
Yeah.
It prompts you to think about preventative care versus reactive repairs.
Well, that's our deep dive into the claims behind Septifix. Thanks for exploring this with us.